Hi, and welcome to a part of our home that you've probably never seen before. So this video is like a completely different structure than we normally do, but we're doing a little bit of a health reset for 2020, and I've had a lot of interest about what we're doing and what recipes we're using and stuff on our Instagram page, so I thought you guys might be interested to see it as well. So what I'm doing today, I'll give you a little rundown. I'm going through one recipe. We're doing Whole30 right now, kind of a slightly modified version of Whole30. I'm gonna run through a couple of cookbooks that I like and some kitchen essentials, and then I actually have some activewear outfits that I will be sharing at the end of the video. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with the recipe. So I am doing a Thai ramen coconut curry. And the ramen is obviously not actual noodles since it's Whole30. If you don't know what Whole30 is, it is basically no grains, no sugars, no dairy, pretty much fruit, meat, and vegetables for 30 days as kind of a reset. And I actually have celiac disease and also am very, very sensitive to dairy and eggs. So I have to be super cautious about what I eat. And this, I think, is gonna be a really nice reset for my body because Lord knows I ate all kinds of crazy things around the holidays and I've been pretty sick lately. So here we go, we're doing ramen. The ramen is actually zucchini noodles. So I have one of these fancy spiralizers, which totally not necessary, but I do think these are super fun. But these spiralizers are kind of fun for giving you a noodle type of thing, but it's still being a vegetable. Let me grab a knife. So you can do all kinds of stuff in these, but I have found that the only thing that really is super easy to put through here is the zucchini. I've done sweet potatoes and stuff through here, and they are pretty hard. So you just stick this on, and I will link all of the stuff that I'm talking about in the video description like normal. I have forgotten how to use this. Ha! So you just stick the zucchini on, and then start cranking this bad boy. And there are different settings for how thick you want your noodles, but this is the most weirdly gratifying thing in the world. And they make little noodles. I mean, look at this. Isn't it hilarious and awesome? So obviously a spiralizer isn't a kitchen necessity, but I do think they're kind of a fun little gadget if you want something different. It's just kind of a different way to consume vegetables and makes you feel like you're still eating noodles. So I have a bunch of, these look actually exactly like ramen noodles. So have my noodles, I'm gonna chop some more veggies and then start putting my soup together. So I'm going to link a blog post down below where I'm including this recipe along with a couple of other easy recipes that we have already made this past, well, however many days. It's been a couple of days that we've been on Whole30. So I'll include that. I did not come up with this recipe, just an FYI. People much better at this and much smarter than I am in the kitchen did, and I'm just excited to make it. So that's gonna be down there, and I'm also going to link my Pinterest page, and I have an entire board on Whole30 recipes if you're interested in following that. I am clearly not a food blogger slash YouTuber. We're gonna have a blooper reel as long as this entire video trying to cook. But I did want to show you a couple of other things that I think are really helpful for meal prepping and eating a little bit healthier in the new year. So we just got these meal prep containers, and I am super excited about these because I don't know about you guys, but I have an entire cabinet full of Tupperware with no matching lids and all weird shapes and sizes and a bunch that are about this big that I have no clue what you're supposed to do with. So I got these on Amazon. I think they were $9 for 15 of them. They're dishwasher safe and reusable, and they stack really easily all together. So these are gonna be super easy for storing too. And then here's a couple of the Whole30 cookbooks that we're gonna be using. So she does have an original Whole30 cookbook. I actually gave that one to a friend of mine. I found it to be a little bit too complicated for my liking. I am very much quick and easy crock pot meals, super, nothing over 20 minutes as far as prep time and cook time goes. So I thought that those were just a little complicated. So I got the slow cooker one and the fast and easy one, and they are really nice cookbooks. So they have pictures with all of the recipes, and there's lots of good healthy recipes, not just for Whole30, but just for healthier eating in general. So these are the ones we're gonna be using for our Whole30. And then little side note, this Love and Lemons is a really great cookbook if you're vegan or you're wanting to do healthier eating with vegan recipes. So this also has really beautiful photos, and we've used this for some nice vegan meals too. So I will link both of those, or all three of those cookbooks, in the description below. And then we also got new water cups, and I'm really excited about these. These are insulated like a Yeti or something like that. So thermal insulated, and I got Cody a plain black one. Hello, here it is.
I think I have to bend down.
And me this marble one, but they came with two lids. They came with a straw lid and a like coffee mug lid, like a flip lid, and 2 straws a piece. So I think it's $20 something for these, and this is the 28 ounce if you're needing a new water cup. So I prefer the term health reset to diet, even though technically like cutting out foods and stuff could be considered a diet, but there's something about that that just like gives me a bad connotation mentally. And I don't like the idea of like depriving myself or weighing myself and worrying about what I look like. I just want to be healthier, and I want my body to feel good. And that is the reason that we are doing Whole30 right now. So just a little encouragement for the new year. Do whatever makes you feel the best, and don't worry about beauty standards or anything else, because that is not what is important. So, and also this is not like, I'm not trying to encourage any of you to do Whole30. If this looks terrible to you, I totally get it, but I just thought some people might be interested and that we would share our journey. Okay, so veggies and chicken are all chopped. So I'm going to throw the onions into this pot, which I will link this pot for you guys as well. This is like a big Dutch oven. This is an Amazon find, and it comes with a lid and everything too, and you can put these in the oven as well. And these are so stinking expensive at so many places. Like if you find this at Williams and Sonoma or somewhere, which that's an expensive store, but anywhere else they are like $200. So this one was a very affordable Amazon find, and this is my favorite for a soup pot. So we're gonna get this soup going. Oh God. Couple things that make my life easier: buying a minced garlic, already minced at Trader Joe's, and I don't always use fresh spices, so this called for fresh ginger. I'm using powdered ginger. I think it's totally fine. It's not gonna taste probably quite as good, but I'm all about ease at this point. Watch out, buddy. So apparently there's some like Whole30 timeline that is basically like, days 1 and 2, you'll feel like you're hungover. Days 4 and 5, you'll feel like you want to kill someone, like all this stuff. But we 100% felt like crap yesterday and today. Like we were so tired. We've been going to bed at straight up like 8.
Yeah, we honestly thought we had carbon monoxide poisoning. Like
it's
legitimately.
the most ridiculous thing. It was like 9 p.m. and we were so tired. And I was like, I think maybe we have carbon monoxide poisoning.
Which I was sick before we started, so it was like double whammy. Start being sick and then go into Whole30, eat nothing, have no carbs, have no sugar, have no caffeine. Except I have had a little caffeine.
Well, you can have coffee, black coffee.
No Diet Coke or Coke
We
Zero.
were absolutely addicted to Coke Zero to a terrifying degree. So, yeah, we were not feeling great yesterday. So hopefully we're on the up and up now. But time to add the broth and all the other goodies. Boil, huh?
So it said.
So this is the curry paste that we got. I'll see if I can find a link for this just in case. But we got this at Sprouts, and it has no artificial preservatives or yucky ingredients in it. So super excited about this. Curry is like such a go-to for us any time of the week, and especially on Whole30, it's gonna be clutch. Okay, while that is brewing and stewing, we get to do something much more in my element. So I hope that this has been helpful for you guys. Please do let us know in the comment section what you think of this type of video and if you're interested in seeing more like vlog style from us. But we're gonna talk about some of my newest activewear finds because this is my favorite time to get activewear. I am planning on doing a bigger activewear haul later on, but I wanted to show you a few new things that I got that I think you might like too. Little something for everyone in price range here, so we've got a pretty big variety, but this first pair is an Amazon find, and I have looked high and low for a good leopard legging, and am very pleased to announce that I found what I was looking for under $30 from Amazon. So yay, these are amazing. I actually have these in the like army green splinter camo as well. So if you click into the link on this one, you can see lots of different color options for this, but these are super buttery soft and they pull you in. They're very nice to work out in. I've had my other pair for like 6 months to a year, somewhere in there, and have washed them tons, worn them tons, and they have never sagged or anything like that. So really good find, and they're true to size. I have the small in the leggings, and then this little top is just kind of a fun, this is a long sleeve, but I think this is still, I would still work out in this because most of the sleeve is open here, so you're not gonna be burning up. But I thought it was kind of a fun option to throw on over a workout tank or something for the gym as well. And this is another Amazon find, size small. And then I actually grabbed the vest and the jacket version of this. This is an Amazon Essentials brand puffer vest, fleece lined all the way through. Super pleased with the quality of this one, and it's kind of a mid-weight, so I think it's the perfect weight for throwing on over your gym clothes. And it has little fleece-lined pockets, and they button up as well. Okay, so another fave pair of Amazon leggings. These are 90 Degree by Reflex, so another great Amazon brand, and these are like $24-ish, I believe. So they come in every color under the sun and are also a really great fit, especially for the price. These don't sag at all while you wear them, so very impressed with the quality of these. I've had this particular pair for about a year now, and they have been washed a whole lot, they've been worn a whole lot, and they still look really good and have held their shape really well. So I have the small in these, and then I just recently got this little workout tank to go with them, which I think is so adorable. So this is a like graphic tee, band tee. So these are a little bit pricier than some other workout tanks, but I think this one is perfect for working out because it kind of has that like muscle tee look. But I also plan to totally wear this under like a leather jacket or a suede jacket with some jeans too. So since it is dual purpose, I was fine with paying a little bit more for this one, and I just love the pink and gold together. So I have a small in this one too. Slightly different pair of leopard leggings, and these are a little bit pricier, but these are kind of like that faux leather type of look. So they've got like the metallic leopard on them. Very fun. This is such a hot trend right now. I am seeing these metallic leggings every time I go to bar, which by the way is my preferred method of working out. It's the only workout I've ever stuck to that I pretty much have gone. I don't think I've missed a single week since I started going about a year ago. So love Pure Barre. If you aren't going or if you've never tried it, highly recommend it. But I keep seeing leggings like this all over my bar studio, and I have a couple similar pairs. I'm actually wearing the Spanx faux leather leggings, which are camo, and I do work out in them some too, but this is a alternative option to the Spanx faux leather leggings, and I think they're really cute, leopard. And again, with these, I would totally wear these with a pair of booties and a long sweater tunic, or even like a jacket and a long tee as well. These run a little on the smaller side, so I have the small in these, but I think I might possibly trade these in for the medium. They were just pretty tight on my waist, so I guess maybe I'll wait until I'm done with Whole 30 and hopefully maybe shed a few lbs so that these will fit well. And then this little workout tank is a Nordstrom find. So this is Zella, which is one of my favorite activewear brands, and I love this one because of the length of it. So this one covers my booty completely and it comes down pretty long in the front too, and it's just a really good quality tank. So this is a thick but not like heavy fabric, and I think will stand up really well for a workout. And this one comes in a pink as well, and I have the small. I also have a deep love for space style leggings. They are so incredibly soft. This particular pair is from Aerie or American Eagle. I also have a couple pairs from Beyond Yoga, so I will link those as well, because I think that these are unbeatable as far as softness goes, and they're just a really easy, stretchy legging, but they hold their shape really well too. So I've had these for probably longer than any of them. I've probably had these for about 2 years, and I think they still look really good. There's no pilling on them or anything, and I've worn these very frequently, probably about every other week. So I have a size small in these, and really great price on the Aerie ones as well. And then this is a Amazon find workout tank. I need to just steam the bottom of this down a little bit, but this is just a basic striped tank, which I think will come in handy for layering for spring and summer too, for other outfits, but I've been enjoying wearing it as a workout tank, and I think it's totally functional for that. So this one comes down a little longer too. I actually like to front tuck this one since it is a little bit long in the front. And I have this small in this one, and it also comes in white with black stripe and a gray too. So this is the coat version or jacket version of the puffer vest that I was sharing earlier. This one's also Amazon Essentials brand, and really blew me away with the quality for the price, and has been my go-to jacket for throwing on after bar, because I don't want to wear like obviously my nice wool coat or even like my puffiest, biggest, warmest jacket, because right when I come out from bar, I'm already sweaty. So this is kind of the perfect just in between everyday jacket, but it is fleece lined all the way through as well. So this one is pretty warm, and it's got the fleece lined pockets that zip up too and runs true to size. I have the small in this one too. All right, the soup is done, and it is looking really, really yummy. I am very proud right now. So I'm going to use one of our little meal prep things to show you all set up, because I'm actually headed to the gym before we eat dinner, and I'm going to top this with a little bit of cilantro, and it will be nice and ready for me when I get home. So this is such a different video for us, but hopefully it's been fun for you to watch. We're gonna put a little cilantro on this, and that's our soup. So recipes in the description, activewear outfits in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.